Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the game, open settings immediately. Press ESC or tap the gear icon, then select the Trade or Social tab. This is where trade controls live. Once done, scan options for trade toggles labeled Allow Trades or Enable Trading. Toggle off the switch, and make sure the change is highlighted or shows offline/disabled. If there's a Save or Confirm button, click it now. This ensures your preference persists across sessions and prevents incoming trade requests. Now refine the controls. You'll often find sub-options like friend trades or party trades. Disable each relevant toggle to block trades from non-friends or all players, depending on your goal. Once you flip them, the interface might gray out trade buttons or show a status like disabled. Make sure to press Save if required. Without saving, changes can revert. If the game uses server-side settings, you may need to rejoin the server to see the disabled state reflected in your lobby. Finish by verifying. Rejoin the server or return to the lobby and ask a friend to attempt a trade. You should receive a blocked or disabled response. If trades still come through, restart raw blocks and clear cached game data. This often applies client-side fixes. If the option resets each session, contact the game's developers or check the game's Discord for settings enforced server-side. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Server-enforced defaults require developer intervention, not just local toggles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.